Welcome to the installation process of Classmarker Action Automation for workflows. Head over to Marketplace and search for the app. Then you click on Install, click on Allow and Install. When that is done, reload your page and then you search for the custom page of the app. This interface will pop up with all the necessary accessories, such as the documentation, and everything you need to begin the journey with the app is right in here. We have the Smart Kill video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to configure your app. We have the app setup. Let's walk you through on how you can connect your app. Click on the Start Setup and you will be required an API key and an API secret key to complete your configuration. Let's head to our account which we've created. Click on your profile and then you click on webhooks and API keys. Switch to API keys and then you click on new API key. You give a sample name and then you endeavor that everything is toggled on and active. You save the API key and then you click on the view API key and secret and here you go. Copy the API key, head to your account and you paste. Then you copy the secret key and you do save. Click on complete setup and your app will be successfully configured and connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team. And as well, the changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To stay updated, toggle on the notification button, insert your email, and then you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, configure, and connect your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips.